resolves, okay? You guys are to have in your binder all of the weather spark charts that pertain to helping you with the design. It should have the full PG&E set of pages that I showed you how to get to, all inside of the binder in one tab area. You should have all of the pertinent graphs from Climate Consultant, including the psychrometric chart. Okay, with everything turned off, right? And then things turned on one at a time, looking in to see what the different areas that the different strategies will cover. So psychometric charts, you're going to have one with nothing on it except the comfort zone, and then you're going to have one for passive heating, cooling, for all the different strategies. You'll pick the ones that are covering most of that area, and have them there as you design. Okay, you guys should have an regularly updated site plan showing your current site design, 11 by 17, 3-hole punched, folded so that it sits inside. Okay? Let me see what other notes I asked for. Your stormwater calculations should be in there, and you should have your floor plans updated regularly inside of that thing. Now you're going to be asked to be doing some readings. Obviously, you're going to be reading stuff out of your book, but I'm also going to refer you guys to a couple of websites that pertain to perforated screens and screening devices, and so it might be useful for you guys to have some of that material sort of, printed and put into that binder. Okay. One of the problems with computers and devices like this is that the information, even though you can store a lot of it, isn't readily available to you. And it's mixed in with a bunch of other information, right? When it's in your binder, you can quickly reference one thing and then look at something else and then come back to what you were doing. And only the information that is pertinent to the design of this house is in that binder. Okay? All right. So right now, one of the things that I'm going to ask you guys to do is I'm going to ask you to go through and analyze what are all the different charts that you really need to have inside your binder. Okay? And I'm going to give you guys about 30 minutes to start collecting that stuff. Or 15 minutes. Let's take 15, 20 minutes to start collecting that stuff. So a quarter after, right? Right now it's 5 till. Quarter after, we'll come back in here. We'll talk a little bit more, and then I'll let you guys take a break. Okay? So right now, make a list of all the charts, and you can essentially start to figure out which ones you guys are going to need to print.